Straight about that jungle, call that Atlanta, made an animal. Peach Fanta with his codeine, sipping Daniel. Fell in love, baby, eat the dick like a cannibal. Baby fit, got that ass like a handle. Like a handle, baby girl, can't take it. Dick in your stomach, then I slap it on your face. She ain't with that shit, I put it in her place. Leave a nigga starstruck, put a 50 in his face. Put a 50 in his face like you bought a honey bun. Give a nigga BBL, he just got his stomach done. Give a fuck about them likes, in real life they give me love. Social media popping shit, in real life yo as a dog. You won't catch me with no lame nigga, catch me with the same niggas. Only trust it. What's going on to this family, man? Check y'all in. I have finally made my last stop. I'm headed to that boy Taylor's house, and by the title of the video, you can see we finna put this goddamn top on this motherfucker finally, boy, for real. So I'll say like that, man. We're gonna take y'all through the whole process of how we do that shit. We've been goddamn watching our YouTube videos and shit, YouTube University, you know what I'm saying, getting our shit in, and I knew it, scraped like a bitch, but I can't wait to put them 20s on here. Once I put them 20s on here, nigga, I'm just gonna bump it up about 4 inches. We'll be scraping shit else. But yeah, like I was saying, man, we finna go ahead and slap this top on here. I went and got drill bits, even though I had to got some. Then I went and got some, this AC cold as fuck. Then I went and got some, I got a rivet gun, so I could rivet them hoes right back in where they came out of. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do that factory how it should be. Let my boy here pulling up right on time. I had to run hella errands. I was just right around the corner too, so it took me no time to get here. Yes, sir. About to go down. Park this bitch ignorant. Set the phone up on the back of the car so get some footage, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at the boys. Look at that, boys. Ooh. Yeah, that's how we come, man. Awesome, I win. First, we gotta take this little strip off right here.
What the fuck are you doing?
Shit. Damn, that bitch still like cranky. What the fuck?
Your shit dead?
Like he.
Fuck.
I tried if I put it in the window. There we go. It's a weak ass setting. Damn. The good thing about this motherfucker, it ain't gonna script your screws, you know what I mean?
Right.
As soon as I said some shit, yeah, that's how I go. Crank them hoes out. We got that piece off. We gotta strip this off. They said we're gonna get like a screwdriver or something for the glue and shit. Oh shit, I got it with my hand. There they go. I was like, where the tools at? Back of the truck. Back of the whip. So they put that bitch out with the hand on grizzle.
Or the adhesive to put on here?
I ain't seen nobody put no adhesive on that motherfucker. Cause what it is, it's like a string in here that goes through the sides of the top to make that motherfucker stay down, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Got one of these rivets up. I tried to not use all the battery. I could just pry that bitch off of there, see how that bitch goes. Cause I forgot to bring my goddamn charger. I made sure that bitch was charged and put it in the car, but that was fucking what, two days ago, nigga? I was like, damn it, I hope that bitch still juiced up, bro. Get that bitch off. Working on that other side. After that, pull this bitch all the way back.
Let me see a screwdriver.
Pull the bitch all the way back. It's gonna come all the way about right here. Then we gotta come around this edge right here and take out this fucking ring. It's just some screws we gotta take out around this bitch. Then that whole piece will come out. And then take out the staples for the top from the ring, from the housing, and the top come off. Then you just gotta do everything we just did, those simple steps, and then boom, we done. Not too hard. That shit like it's already deeper in that motherfucker, huh?
Yeah, sort of.
So I'm taking part off right here, took this little metal trim ring off. Got some good ass adhesive on that bitch. Now look at this off right here. All right, y'all, we got the top off. Finna come around, cut it right here, around the back, just to get it out the way. Then you gotta go on the inside. This out the way. Come in here. Take out all those screws right there, you see? Take out all these screws. If I can see it or not. All of those. And then the rest of it will come out. All right, y'all, we got the old top off. It's gonna come through here. Right through here. Easy access. Take those off. All of this will come out. Then that'll give us the rest of the access to take all this shit off. And then we gotta put the new top back in the same place right here. And then same shit we did before. That's really it. It wasn't that bad, was it?
Simple.
It wasn't that bad. It was easy because there's two of us, probably.
That is the easy part, though.
That's what I'm saying. That was by far the easiest part. Because it's just fucking nuts.
The hard part.
Yeah. So check y'all back here, man. Try to self-tap the cloth. It is, though. Y'all, we got the back ring out like I was telling y'all, man. So now we got to come through, take all these goddamn staples out. And that'll be it for the old top and then new top going on. Literally. Jeez.
What the fuck?
What, the staples?
Yeah.
You got like 5 right here at the top?
Yeah. Holy
They was
shit.
like, this bitch ain't going nowhere, son. Right. I need to probably be a flathead, get the goddamn pulling these out. I took the top off with the top on, bitch. And look, I said we took the top off with the top on. You know what I mean? So now everything is done. The old top is all the way off. Now it's time for the new top going on. And it shouldn't take us that long to actually put it on this time. Taking it off, we had like hella staples. Like y'all seen hella staples in this fucking ring right here. So I got hella self-tap screws, small ones. I got hella small ones right here. So we're gonna use all of these around the backside. So we're gonna use those in here. Like it'll take some self-tap real easy. So we don't have these staples either, so that's why we're using self-taps. So self-taps, put that back on there. We gotta slide the window. It's a rubber piece that the window goes in through right here. We're gonna show y'all that when we slide that through. Put this back down, come through here, put your trim on right here, your triangle trim. You know what I'm saying, seal that. Put this through the remainder. And then right here, comes right there. And then you put your rivet in there, and that's it. Rivet game. So, we're about done. Oh yeah, and then we gotta put the final piece. The final piece right here. That's gonna give you that front piece. Right here, give you that smooth front right there. So we gotta pull it, stretch it, and boom, that'll be it. So got that bitch off. Gotta put that bitch on now, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Like I said, you got this insert right here, as you can see. So you slide this little piece in that right there, so your window always lines up, no matter, you know what I'm saying, what happens. So you have to rip this part off the old top, and what this does is slides in here like this perfectly, so that you can, you know what I'm saying, get that through that part I just showed y'all right here. So make sure y'all rip this off like this, and then just slide that bitch through there. The top screwed into the bezel. I'm gonna put the bezel back around.
They drove me home.
Put the nuts on it. From the bezel's pillars, slide the wires right here through the front, and then screw the front trim piece down, and then we'll be done. Oh yeah, switch locations too. You can see the light right here.
Oh, brochures? Yeah,
check in. Now, but we got the side pillars going back on. Gotta open me another one. You see the fucking face came off, but the top is all the way connected in the back. And so now it's just pillars. We fed the lines through. right here. So put a rivet in those right there. And then screw on the top piece to fold that over the top like that.
There's no big booty bitches walking around, so you ain't gotta worry about the camera drifting. Where the hose at? No. Just yanks all the screws we just put in it. Oh, dude, I'd lose it. Oh, bam. Oh, it worked. You're just gonna have to help it.
You gotta stretch.
Dude, that's mint. Alright, $50 driveway.
Well, that's how y'all put y'all top on y'all fucking
That's it right there.
Camaro convertible, man. The other side of it, but that's why this shit got the
I mean, a lot of that.
You can see Sexy Red is looking real sexy. Sexy Red is looking real sexy. Next, we gotta get the rims and shit, music and shit. That's really much it, you know.